In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use visual input with ChatGPT-4. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use visual input in ChatGPT-4 to analyze images, ask questions about pictures, and get more detailed responses based on visual content. Whether you're using it to understand an image, identify objects, or gather additional context, this feature makes your conversations with AI much more interactive and informative. I'll guide you through the entire process so you can start using visual input with confidence. To begin, open ChatGPT on your preferred device. You can access it through your web browser or by using the mobile app. Once the platform opens, sign into your account to reach the main chat interface, where you'll normally interact with the AI. Next, create a new chat or continue an existing conversation. Either option works, but starting a new chat can help keep your image-related questions organized in one place. Once you're inside the conversation, look at the message box near the bottom of the screen where you usually type your prompts. Near the message box, you'll find the paperclip or attachment icon. Click this icon to begin adding an image to your conversation. A file selection window will open, allowing you to browse the files stored on your device. Navigate to the location of the image you want to use and select it. For the best results, choose a clear, high-quality image that is easy to interpret. Whether it's a photograph, a screenshot, a document, or another type of visual, selecting a clear image helps ChatGPT-4 better understand its contents and provide more accurate responses. Once you've selected the image, it will appear in the chat interface, indicating that it's ready to be included in your conversation. At this point, don't send the image by itself. Instead, type a message explaining what you'd like ChatGPT-4 to do with it. You can ask questions, request an analysis, seek clarification, or provide context that helps the AI understand exactly what information you're looking for. After you've entered your prompt, submit your message along with the attached image. ChatGPT-4 will process both your written request and the visual input together. By combining these two sources of information, the AI can provide more detailed explanations, identify important elements within the image, answer questions about what it sees, or generate responses based on the visual content you've shared. That's all there is to it. Open ChatGPT, start a conversation, attach your image, describe what you want to know, and let ChatGPT-4 analyze both the image and your prompt together. It's a simple but powerful feature that expands the way you interact with AI and makes it easier to work with visual information in your everyday tasks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,